gotta put this window up for y'all because it's windowing, bro. This Chevy, dude. Pasando por todos lados. Desde Texas viene la Poderosi. I'm playing. Since I'm in the Chevy, I want to talk about how beast this motherfucker is. If you don't got a pickup truck, if you don't got a 4x4 single cab Chevy Silverado, you sleeping, boy. It is rust free, so came up on this truck, and honestly, like, it's done me so well. I came up on this truck when I crashed the Altima when I first moved to Houston, and this was like my daily for like a good year until I fixed the car. But I mean, yo, like it's gotten me by, and like the Tima has close to like 190,000 miles. So like, excuse me, so like I always get like so burpy, like I'm nervous or something. But yeah, like it's done me well for the times that like the Altima, like I couldn't drive it. So I'm really thankful to have a third car. Although it is a gas guzzler, it's nice having something like this that you can just like, you know, depend on as far as like having, you know, storage in the back, being able to pick up parts and whatever, just anything really. Like, but yeah, so I'm in the truck right now because the Altima, I don't even know, like everything. You guys already know what the deal is, you know, like I'm not a mechanic. I'm just out here, you know, just rolling with what I know and finding out what I don't. So I believe my cats are getting clogged because I feel like I'm losing like pressure. Like the exhaust just seems like it's clogged, or like something's going on with the exhaust. So I really think that it's time for a new exhaust. And honestly, like I might as well. Like I'm out here making videos, right? I honestly, don't let me get an exhaust, bro, because it's nah, man. I the Altima, but I need to, and I need it from the fucking manifold all the way down to the cat bag, like literally all of it. So it's about like $1,400 for the exhaust or something around there. Probably like a little bit more because I have to buy it separately. But like it's a good exhaust, and honestly, like I've never had an exhaust, so I'm gonna probably be wilding out with this exhaust, not gonna lie. So that's gonna be my next buy. I do have something in the background in the works, and I'm really excited to show you guys, because I know everyone's gonna love it. Tell you guys, but I can't mention it until I'm the kind of person that doesn't like to talk about things until I know it's going down. So yeah, so I'm gonna hold off on that until I know a little bit more, but I'm really excited to tell you guys. I'm trying to pop out in the channel. I mean, it would be cool and everything, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then yeah, I mean, right now basically I'm just gonna get down on my wheels because I've been meaning to do a video on how I clean my wheels. So I'm gonna show you guys basically like some of the stuff that I use and some of the stuff that I have used in the past. And when it comes to cleaning like 3-piece wheels, like the polished lips, like you really want to make sure that you're using something that's gonna cut down and leave a nice finish. So I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I use, and like really like I've become an honest, loyal fan to the stuff that I'm using right now. A couple Mothers, Blue Magic, Eagle One, and White Diamond. So these are off metal aluminum polishes, basically to clean up, you know, any polished surfaces, bring it back to that, you know, shiny finish. This one has been around for a long time. I've actually had this way before I had the Silvia. I would use this stuff for like any type of like metal that you wanted to clean up. And you see right here it says metal shines. I would use it basically for anything that like look that could be shined up, like my bike, anything basically I would use this for. So this stuff you could pick up like basically at anywhere, like O'Reilly's, Advance, any auto parts store that I can think of. I also seen it at Walmart. So it's like a little bottle. They sell bigger, really good. Basically if you use it like on anything, this will clean it up. So this was my go-to for a long time. I would always have this on me and always basically used it for everything until I had a homie recommend some of this Blue Magic stuff. He's actually a detailer, I think from Puerto Rico, and he's been detailing cars for like a long time because I've been following him. He actually used to have an Altima just like mine, but stand style, bagged out. Actually, it was a huge inspiration, so I'm gonna have to shout out his page. I'll throw the clip in there. But he told me it wouldn't hurt to try it, so I picked it up too. I think same thing. I actually got it at a parts store though. I don't think you can get this at Walmart, But basically you see right there, it says clean, shines, and protects. So this is really good stuff. Besides, it's basically for anything. It's like $8 or something, probably. Like basically like most polishes, like these containers are like, you know, $6-7 or whatever. But that one's really good. Oh yeah, and both of these are like pasty. Like this one's more pasty. Obviously because they're in these containers, right? They're like more pasty. And then I seen this stuff. I picked this stuff at same thing at a parts store. This is actually really cool, and it got me because like you see it, and it's got like it's already like basically it has the sauce on there, like it's ready to use. So you just like rip off a piece and then you just start cleaning any surface. So it's like pretty good because you could just grab it, and when you're done, just throw it away, and this stays fresh in there. So I actually haven't used this much, but it worked really good. Actually, let me show you guys. I started cleaning my engine bay, so it kind of started like top, like it cleaned it up honestly, because like, can you see basically like down there it's still a little bit more dark, but it's a lot lighter. And then I only really got like this part, so like you can see right there, it's not that cleaned up, and like the back's not that cleaned up. I just gave it like a quick pass over just because I wanted to see how good that stuff worked, and it does work pretty good. So I mean, happen to come across this stuff, I would really recommend it, just because it's always ready, stays fresh in this container. So yeah, this was same thing, like I don't know, maybe $10. Really good stuff. Eagle One, they make really good stuff too. I've tried a couple of their detailers, so if you see this, it doesn't hurt to try. Now we get into the current and probably like the best stuff. Before that, I say that too because like I thought this was the best stuff, then I thought this was the best stuff, then I thought this was the coolest thing, and then my homie told me about this. So shout out to the homie that put me on, Caesar. Y'all check out his G. He be on that shit. He got some nice 3-piece wheels, 3-piece over reps. You already know this stuff. His wheels like so clean. Like I'm like, yo, like what do you be using? And he told me that white diamond, like, and I'm like, yo, where'd I get that? You know, and he said you can find it basically at the parts store. Ended up finding it at Walmart too, actually. I think they sell this at Walmart. But this stuff's really, really good. White Diamond, that's the brand. Good stuff. This was like $15 or $16 though, because it is like a larger container, but it works so good. This is really good stuff. Like oh crap, I started using this a few weeks ago, maybe like 2 months ago. Okay, but I like saying weeks, but it works really good. This is what I've been using for my wheels, and I haven't used anything else like since then. So this stuff is a lot more liquidy, so you do gotta like, you know, shake it good, but it works really good. You just dab a little bit on the microfiber towel, and then you just basically just wipe on the wheels and then polish it off. So I'll show you guys how I do it, because my wheels do need a cleaning. So might have to get a little lamp or something set up. But see, the wheels, I've been using it since, and like they're a lot easier to clean. Like when they get wet, the water does kind of just, you know. But I'll show you guys basically like how I clean my wheels, how I get down, what I do. These are my 3-piece work VSXX. Little tough to say, VSXX wheels. The specs are 18 by 9.5 in the front, and then 18 by 10 in the back. So something like that. I don't even know. I'm guessing. You know, people that ask about specs, I'm sorry I can't help you on this one, but these are the work wheels that I got. It's probably like what, like a 2-3 inch lip. So basically, like, this is the worst part of cleaning wheels, because you got to keep this clean. You know, when this gets wet, then you have to polish it, or if not, like, just wipe it down. So I got the wheels in here. I'm gonna hit it with some detailer first. That's normally what I do, just hit it with the detailer. So I got a couple things here in my trunk. It's because, you know, we got that wiper delete, so we need to have that Rain-X on deck. Another detailer. This is another Meguiar's. These two are Meguiar's right here. I like Meguiar's stuff. I got a lot of Meguiar's stuff. Some tire shine for the S15. You got the Meguiar's tire shine. You got another tire shine. And then I got a little bit of chemical guys in here for like the interior dressing. And then I got some others, like basically anything, like another interior cleaning that I use too. So I got those on me. And then these are the two detailers I got. So they're both Meguiar's, I already see. Let's see. So now that I got the wheel cleaned up, what I want to do is grab a new towel because this one is damp from the detailer. So I want to grab a new towel because you don't want to have wet wheels when you're polishing. So I'll toss that towel over there. I got a couple fresh ones. Also, these will be getting dirty. So these are not like brand new towels. These are more so like towels that I'm going to use for this polish purpose. So I mean, if you want, use brand new ones, but I mean, it's not like essential to use brand new. As long as they don't have like trash in the microfiber, it's like you should be good. I mean, they're gonna get messed up, and what you end up doing is ended up throwing them away. So just, you know, plan on, you know, using up a couple towels anytime you do like this polish. And like I said, you want to really shake this up because this is liquidy. The other stuff is more pasty. This is more liquid stuff. So you really want to make sure you shake it up. And truthfully, you don't need a lot. Like, I'll show you guys shortly here that you don't need a lot of this stuff. Like, just get enough of it, put it on the towel, rub it in a little, and then wipe it off. So we're going to grab a towel, like I said, whatever, as long as it's clean and there's no trash in it, you should be good. So I got it shooken up good enough. And then this is liquidy, so just be careful. It kind of gets everywhere sometimes, but comes off anyway. So just get a little bit, just put it on the towel. Kind of did already spill it. Like I said, it gets everywhere. You don't need a lot of it, but it gets everywhere. Just kind of get up here and kind of show you guys. So I got a little bit on the towel. I'm just gonna want to rub it in. Make sure the back of the towel doesn't touch the ground. I know like that happens a couple times to me, so just kind of have some good. Look at the towel, it's already got nasty. Just rub it in, get all that polish off. Wow, this stuff looks awesome. There, like you can compare it. It's pretty darn clean. This is like the non-polished. This is polished. See, right? I'm telling you guys, this stuff is magic. So we'll just kind of get the rest of the wheel in. Your towel is going to get really dirty. So like I said, plan on using up a couple towels. Just wanted to make a short video, but I do have to finish up this wheel and the other wheels. But I'm just going to film one for you guys so you guys see it. The end product.